Proposal? What are you doing here? Didn't Mom tell you to do the laundry?
Can't you see? I'm waiting for the clothes to dry.
What are you How can there be washing machines in a coffee shop?
Gotcha. This is the laundry.
Wow. Okay. I did not see this coming. But what were you drinking? Did you bring it from home?
Let me show you. Deep roast latte, hot chocolate or lemon black tea?
I'm good.
Latte it is. Deep roast latte, made with slow roasted beans and ground. Get a great coffee for just a few coins. Pay me later.
But
Just try.
Oh. What is this place?
It's called LOCO Laundry, a laundromat. There are complete laundry facilities. Oh, there are also machines that allow you to recharge your membership.
Wait a minute. Did you throw Azai's towel in and wash it together?
Come on, do I look like a vandal? I have already washed it in a special paid clothes washing machine.
Wow, very considerate.
Of course.
I meant this laundromat. Okay? A washing machine for pet clothes. Hey, did you add the softener? If not, the smell of Azai can't be washed away.
Oh my god, are you Mom? Come on. Laundry bag, dryer sheet, antiseptic, disinfectant, fabric softener, liquid detergent, everything you need.
Wow, okay.
There's also a clear notice here with recommended drying temperature.
Very considerate.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Unlike someone.
What's your problem, man?
How long have you known this place? Huh? You never mentioned it to me.
Who said laundry is hard work? If you want clean clothes and good coffee, you're welcome.